You sit down to focus. You open your laptop, maybe to study, work, or get something important done, and within seconds, you're distracted. One notification pops up, you check it, then another, and before you realize it, you've been scrolling for 30 minutes, maybe even an hour, and now you feel guilty, like you just wasted your time, again. So you tell yourself, I need more discipline. I need to focus more. I need to stop being lazy. But here's the truth. It's not your fault. Your brain was not designed for the world you live in today. It was designed for a completely different environment, a slower one, a quieter one, a world without constant stimulation. But today, you're surrounded by it. Short videos, endless scrolling, notifications every few minutes, messages, apps competing for your attention. Every platform is designed to keep you engaged. And it works. Because every time you scroll, you get something new. A new video, a new idea, a new piece of information. And your brain loves that. Because every time something new appears, it releases dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you feel good. It's the same system that rewards you for eating, achieving goals, or learning something new. But here's the problem. In the past, dopamine required effort. You had to work for it. Now, you get it instantly. No effort required. Just scroll. And your brain adapts. It starts expecting fast rewards, quick stimulation, constant novelty. So over time, your brain becomes less interested in slow tasks, tasks like studying, reading, working deeply, because compared to scrolling, they feel boring, even painful, not because they actually are, but because your brain has been trained to expect something faster, something easier, something more stimulating. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think they lack discipline. They think something is wrong with them. But the reality is, their brain has simply adapted to their environment, and their environment is designed to distract them. Think about it. How often do you check your phone without even realizing it? How many times do you open an app without a clear reason? That's not random. That's habit. Your brain is seeking stimulation because it's been trained to do so. And the more you give into it, the stronger that habit becomes. This is why focusing feels harder over time, not easier, because you are constantly training your brain to avoid effort and choose comfort. So when it's time to focus, your brain resists. It looks for an escape, something easier, something faster. And that's usually your phone. So the problem isn't you, it's your environment. And more importantly, it's how your brain has adapted to that environment. So how do you fix it? You don't fight your brain, you don't rely on willpower, because willpower is limited. Instead, you change the system around you. Step 1, reduce noise. Turn off notifications that are not essential, because every notification is a break in your focus. Every interruption resets your attention, and the more interruptions you have, the harder it becomes to stay focused. Step 2, create friction. Right now, distractions are too easy. Your phone is always within reach, apps open instantly. There is no resistance. So you need to make distractions harder. Move apps away from your home screen, log out of social media, delete the apps you don't need. Even small barriers can reduce impulsive behavior. Step 3, start small. Don't try to focus for hours. That usually fails. Instead, start with 10 minutes, just 10. No distractions, no switching. Then slowly increase it. 15 minutes, 20 minutes. And over time, your brain adapts again. But this time, it adapts to focus. Because focus is like a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes, and the easier it feels. At first, it will feel uncomfortable. That's normal, because your brain is used to constant stimulation. But if you stay consistent, that discomfort fades, and focus becomes natural again. You start enjoying deep work. You feel more in control, and most importantly, you stop feeling stuck. So no, you're not lazy, you're not broken, you're just overstimulated. And once you understand that, everything changes. Fix your environment, train your focus, and your brain will follow. Slowly, but surely, you take control back. Follow for simple explanations that actually improve your life.